Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some oxtail and beans. I do have a few oxtail videos, but they're from way back when I just started my page. So today we're going to be making some, and I did make some curry oxtail as well. You can check that out as well. Alright, so I have my oxtails here. I am going to rinse them with some vinegar and lime, and then I'm going to season. Here I'm adding some of my homemade seasoning, and then I'm going to add some oxtail seasonings. I have two different type of oxtail seasoning, and I'm going to add some of each. Alright, I am also going to be adding some onion and garlic powder, and I'm also going to add some browning as well. So you can go ahead and marinate this overnight if you want, but I'm going to be cooking this right away. But nevertheless, it's going to be flavorful and nice. The persons are here waiting to eat this. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to get my pot heated, and I'm going with my good old Dutch pot. It's my best friend. Yeah, I'm going to heat it up with some oil, just a little oil, and then I'm going to add all my oxtail in there. We're going to slow braise this for a few minutes. So whenever I am making any form of stew, I like to stir it up a few minutes, after which I cover it and allow it to produce its own liquid. That way all the seasoning and herbs can get to marry. Alright, so I am going to now add some water on this, some hot water, and allow it to cook slowly. Oxtail takes a while to cook, so if you want, you can put it in your pressure cooker, or you can let it slowly cook on the stove. After pouring my hot water, I am going to also add some chopped garlic. I'm going to add some pimento leaf, some crushed pimento seeds. I am also going to add some chopped scallion, onion, thyme, and I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook slowly. During the cooking process, it's going to dry out, so you're going to need to add water gradually just to allow this to cook slowly, all right? Otherwise, you can go ahead and, as I said before, and put it in your pressure cooker, quick and easy. It all depending on you. All right. So once your meat is getting tender, you want to go in and you want to add your spinners. If you're going to be adding spinners, you want to add your spinners. I'm going to add a few, not too much. And I'm also going to be adding some more scallion, more thyme, more onion, just to reflavor the pot as well. And along with all the flavoring with the scallion, thyme, and onion, of course, depending on who you're cooking for, you might want to add some Scotch bonnet pepper. Like, come on, you can't have your oxtail without some Scotch bonnet pepper. All right, or maybe it's just me. So after reseasoning, we're gonna stir this up and allow it to cook down a little for about 5 minutes, and then we go in with our beans. All right, so after adding the beans, it's all up to you how you like your gravy. If you like it thin, semi-thick, or thick, it's all up to you. You can go ahead, turn your stove down, leave the pot open, and allow it to cook down until you have your desired gravy consistency. All right, so here I have some curried oxtail, brown stew oxtail, veggies, and some rice and peas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one.